So how important is focus for you when you're working? Like how much importance do you give to focus?
तो बिना फोकस का कर क्या सकते हैं?
How important it is? Like हरकन ये मेरा पहला like this is the top one for me, like top two for me.
I can't do anything without focus. So for me, that's like
Focus, what I have felt it from your
हाँ,
word ना कि I
हाँ,
can't do anything without focus. Focus इतना pesky है. I have talked with a couple of people.
हम्म,
There are people who say कि why are we even talking about other thing? वो तो point ही नहीं है ना करने का बात. इतना dead focus मैंने कई लोग में देखा है.
Okay, now I got the context of where you're coming from.
Yeah.
So there are a couple of ways I'll answer this.
Yeah.
I personally feel, and it's a skill that I'm still working on developing even better,
Yeah.
is the skill to look at things from a macro level
हाँ.
and when required, deep right down to the ground to it.
हाँ.
आप 30,000 फीट से सैटेलाइट का व्यू देख रहे हो और जब जरूरत पड़े ईगल की तरह डाइव इन किए,
हाँ.
go all the way to the bottom, stay there till you don't get that result that's needed, and you have to have the ability to bounce straight back to 30,000 feet.
Yeah. The stay there वाला ना वो बहुत important. Stay there.
Stay there is very
कि
important.
वहीं पे टिके रहो. नहीं टिके रहो जब तक निकलता नहीं है.
Correct.
जिनमें वो होता है, like you guys are like big shots in the ply business and you guys have done really really good in generic terms. I'm talking about in anything
Thank
life
you.
or in business, either way.
Thank you.
So I think that focus, if you also delve back to your success or your family's success in the trade, it will eventually be focus will be one of the points
Huh?
where your forefathers or the ones
The
who
years we've not done well, we know that the focus has
Yeah.
not been there.
where your forefathers or the enablers in your business might have rejected everything else in the pursuit of that one thing.
So for us at work now, we have couple of things that we're very clear on, that these are the 2 or 3 things that we want to achieve. Everything else is a distraction.
Nice.
Everything else. देखिए रोज कोई एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी,
Nice.
रोज कुछ ना कुछ आएगा कि सर ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वो भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. We are a 1.5% market share player in the industry. What right do we have to switch to a different product line?
Hmm.
Have we achieved 8%, 10%, 14% market share? No. So there is still so much scope to grow over here. Even in this growth, there are so many segments. There are the furniture manufacturers. Even in the furniture manufacturers, there are the ones who are doing the ultra luxury. They're the ones who are in the mid segment. The ones who are doing the low segment. Then there is the home buyer segment. In the home buyer segment, there is again the who are still getting a large part of the industry still gets the furniture made on site. Usme there are the ultra HNIs, the upper middle class, the lower middle class. उसके बाद आप कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स में आइए, गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में आइए, हॉस्पिटैलिटी प्रोजेक्ट्स में आइए. देयर आर 15 or 20 different avenues where plywood and allied products are used. Can I go after all 15 of them? Yes, I'll be a jack of all trades, but will not achieve mastery. And we've gone through that journey of having made that mistake. So we've narrowed down on 4 or 5 categories, right, which we would like to operate in, and to scale in those categories, to scale in those geographies. So
Love that.
it's a
Yeah,
learning
very nice.
experience.
Super.
It's a learning experience. We've gone wrong in some calls we've made, but that's okay. If you can be honest in admitting that you've, and I'm admitting on camera, like, right?
That's how it should be.
Yeah,
No?
that's
That's how it
छुपाने का
should
क्या
be.
है?
Super. That is, I think, a skill.
I still need to get a lot better at it.
Everybody has to be, honestly. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अगर मुझे कोई पूछेगा one thing बताओ यार, like one killer thing बताओ, रेसिपी बताओ, focus. किसी के लिए फोकस होगा एक जगह टिक के काम करना, वो फोकस है. किसी के लिए फोकस है एक्सपेंशनिस्ट ग्रोथ करना, फोकस है. अंतर है.
बहुत फर्क है.
वो नहीं कि वो फोकस के वो लैक करते तो वो ग्रो मार रहा है. नहीं, वो ग्रो कर रहा है, वो उसका फोकस है, उसकी उड़ारी है. मेरी थी मैंने यहाँ बैठ के ये करना है.
You look at any top athletes. See, athletes are the easiest one to study from because they are visibly available on the public platform, right? Business owners को इतना नहीं पता चलता जितना athletes are celebrated. Any top athlete, you will see that the level of dedication. See, after a point, talent, after a certain level, talent is not the differentiator.
Yeah.
Right? It is their ability to put in the grind, to go in, day out, put in that hard work, even on days when they don't want to.
Yeah.
Right? That is what differentiates them.
That's what
And of course,
differentiates.
luck also plays a part.
ठीक है, लक जो है वो इकोनॉमिक्स है, मुझे लगता है वो, मैं तो उसको कहता हूँ लक, तो मैं इकोनॉमिक्स
नहीं,
को
but
मानता
luck आप create करते हो. You have to
हाँ,
put yourself out there
put yourself
enough
out
number of times
a number of times.
for you to be in the right place at the right time. If you're
मतलब
not putting
बंदा तो
yourself out
फितूर
there,
होना चाहिए ऑनेस्टली ना, कि मैंने बस यू नो बर्न करना है,